The magnetic fields swirling around Sagittarius A offer a tantalizing glimpse into the cosmic ballet of forces. Astronomers have revealed a captivating discovery about the center of our Milky Way galaxy using advanced technology from the Event Horizon Telescope EEHT, including scientists from the Center for Astrophysics at Harvard Smithsonian CFA. They've captured a mesmerizing image showing powerful magnetic fields swirling from the edge of the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A Sgr A. These magnetic fields have been observed in polarized light for the first time, providing fresh insight into the enigmatic processes operating close to our galaxy center. Published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters, the image reveals a magnetic field structure remarkably similar to that of the black hole in the M87 galaxy. This resemblance raises the possibility that black holes share powerful magnetic fields. Furthermore, the picture suggests that Sgr A may contain a hidden jet. According to phys.org, this groundbreaking discovery builds on previous research, which revealed the first image of Sgr A in 2022. Sgr A is very similar to its counterpart, even though it is much smaller and less massive than the black hole in the M87 galaxy. The team's decision to study Sgr A in polarized light stems from previous studies showing that magnetic fields around black holes like M87 can launch powerful jets of material. By imaging polarized light emitted by hot gas near black holes, astronomers can infer the structure and strength of the magnetic fields that govern their behavior. Understanding the magnetic fields surrounding black holes is crucial for deciphering their interactions with surrounding matter. Sgr A, an astrophysicist at CFA and co-lead of the project, describes the findings as demonstrating strong, twisted, and organized magnetic fields near the Milky Way's central black hole. Astronomers expect further discoveries regarding black holes and their magnetic fields as technology develops. With ongoing observations and planned expansions of the Event Horizon Telescope, we're on the brink of unraveling more mysteries about these enigmatic cosmic entities.